Hi friends, I'm Bob. In this video, I will be showing you the solution to the Maclaurin series of 1 over 1 minus x using the formulas on the top right hand corner. Before I do so, if you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video. The top right hand corner formula tells us that a function of x can be expressed as an infinite series in which f0 represents the function evaluating at x equals to 0. F prime 0 is the function differentiated once and evaluating at x equals to 0. F double prime 0 is the function differentiated twice and evaluating at x equals 0. F triple prime 0 is the function differentiated 3 times and evaluating at x equals 0. And f 4 times prime 0 is the function differentiating 4 times and evaluating at x equals 0. For this particular question, we will be expressing the Maclaurin series of 1 over 1 minus x up to and including the x to the power 4 terms. We let fx be equals to 1 over 1 minus x, which is the same as 1 minus x to the power of negative 1. Then to find my f prime x, we differentiate fx one time, and hence we'll get negative 1 over x to the power of negative 2, differentiating with respect to x of 1 minus x. So this is equals to minus 1 minus x to the power of negative 2, times negative 1, and hence it's just 1 minus x to the power of negative 2. Next, we find what is my f double prime x. This is equals to negative 2, 1 minus x to the power of negative 3, and then we differentiate 1 minus x, we get negative 1, in which we get 1 minus x to the power of negative 3. Following that, we find what is my f triple prime x differentiating f double prime x one more time. We get negative 6, 1 minus x to the power of negative 4. Differentiating 1 minus x, we get negative 1, which is equals to 6 times 1 minus x to the power of negative 4. Last but not least, to find what is my f 4 times prime x, we just differentiate f triple prime x one more time. We get the following, which is negative 24, 1 minus x to the power of negative 5. Differentiating 1 minus x one time, we get negative 1. So this is equals to 24, 1 minus x to the power of negative 5. What do we do next is we substitute x equals to 0 into all these functions. So let's start with fx, substituting x equals to 0. We get just 1 over 1 minus 0 is just basically 1. For f prime 0, where we substitute x equals to 0 into f prime x, we get just 1. Because 1 minus 0 is equals to 1, and 1 to the power of negative 2 gives me 1. How about f double prime 0? Substituting x equals to 0 into f double prime x, we just have basically 2 times 1 minus 0 to the power of negative 3. This is equals to 2. Hence, my f double prime 0 is 2. To find f triple prime 0, we substitute x equals to 0 to f triple prime x. So this is equals to 6 times 1 minus 0 to the power of negative 4. And this is equals to just 6. And last but not least, to find my f 4 times prime 0, we substitute x equals to 0 into f 4 times prime x. We get the following, which is 24, 1 minus 0 to the power of negative 5. We get 24. Once we have found all these functions, we can substitute it into our Maclaurin series formula shown in the top right hand corner to find what is the Maclaurin series of 1 over 1 minus x up to and including the x to the power 4 terms. So the Maclaurin series of 1 over 1 minus x is basically just equals to my f0 is 1. And we have x times f prime 0 is 1 over 1 factorial plus x squared f double prime 0 is 2 over 2 factorial, x cubed f triple prime 0 is 6 over 3 factorial plus x to the power 4, f 4 times prime 0 is 24 over 4 factorial. So this is equals to 1 plus x squared plus, how about 6x cubed over 3 factorial? We know that 3 factorial is just 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is just 1, so we got x cubed And for the coefficient of the x4 term, basically we just take 24 divided by 4 factorial. We know 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. And hence 24 divided by 24 gives us just x to the power 4. So hence the final answer of the Maclaurin series of 1 over 1 minus x is approximately equals to 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the power 4 terms, expressing up to and including the x to the power 4 terms. If you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video and do consider to subscribe to this channel for more integration problems. I'm Bob, thank you guys for your support and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.